For decades, construction meant one thing: slow. Weeks of scaffolding, months of waiting, armies of workers doing the same back-breaking tasks day after day, the same way they've always been done. That era is over. What you're about to see isn't a glimpse into the future. It's happening right now, on real job sites. Laying bricks by hand is officially obsolete. Meet the Road Printer Eco by RP Systems, a fully electric paving machine that does in hours what used to take an entire crew days. No more workers on their knees placing bricks one by one. Load the hopper, set the pattern, and let gravity handle the rest. As the machine moves forward, bricks slide down a curved ramp and drop perfectly into position, like rolling out a carpet, except that carpet is a road. A traditional crew covers 800 to 1,000 square feet, 75 to 100 square meters per day. The Road Printer Eco lays over 3,200 square feet, 300 square meters, more than 3 times the output. No need to build a pool anymore. Just order a built one and add it to your home. That's exactly what ModPools delivers. Made from upcycled high-cube shipping containers, each unit arrives 95% complete. Pumps, heaters, and sanitation systems all pre-installed inside a built-in mechanical room. A crane drops it into position, a contractor connects the electrical and gas lines, and within 1 to 3 days it's swim-ready. No deep excavation, no months of waiting. It can sit above ground, partially buried, or even on a slope. The signature acrylic viewing window gives it a futuristic aquarium look that no concrete pool can ever replicate. Plastering a wall takes a huge amount of time, and only an expert hand can create a smooth, seamless surface. But for this plaster robot, it's a piece of cake. It is capable of plastering 1,300 square feet, 120 square meters, of wall in just 1 hour. Traditional plastering is slow and physically demanding. Workers manually spread mortar with trowels, layer by layer, covering only a small area per hour. This machine changes everything. It automatically applies, levels, and smooths plaster using a guided vertical mechanism that keeps thickness perfectly even, every single time. No fatigue, no inconsistency. What used to take several workers an entire day now takes one robot an hour. Construction isn't alwa's about building fast. Sometimes demolition is the bottleneck. Breaking a concrete slab by hand is slow, brutal work. The Hilti TE 3000A VR changes that. It's Hilti's most powerful electric demolition hammer, delivering 50 foot-pounds, 68 joules of impact energy, matching a 60-pound, 27-kilogram air hammer with no compressor, no hoses, and no diesel. At just 65 pounds, 29 kilograms, its brushless motor pushes power-to-weight ratios beyond what traditional motors can manage. And 2 fully decoupled handles absorb vibration before it reaches your hands, so crews work longer without fatigue. Concrete slabs, asphalt, foundation trenches. Finishing fresh concrete by hand is back-breaking, time-consuming work, but the Lindeck LC900H changes that entirely. This Swedish-built ride-on power trowel sits the operator on a comfortable adjustable seat and puts a 26-horsepower Honda GX690 engine underneath them. Twin rotors spin at up to 170 revolutions per minute, pressing and smoothing the concrete surface to a dense, near-perfect finish, covering massive floor areas in a fraction of the time hand finishing would take. Hydraulic steering makes it effortless to control. Flip-up guard rings allow fast blade changes, LED lighting, a water spray system, even a cup holder. This is the top segment of ride-on trowel machines, and it shows. Most buildings take months just to get their walls up. But what if the walls, the windows and the insulation all arrived at once, ready to go? That's exactly what these facade panels do. Each one is a complete section of a building's outer wall, windows already fitted, insulation already locked in, structural framing already built. No assembly on site, no waiting. A crane lifts it, it slides into position, and just like that, a finished piece of the building appears. And because these panels are produced in a factory while the building structure is still being built, nothing sits idle. Everything happens at the same time. Take a look at this hospital, a massive structure, fully walled, fully finished on the outside. All that in 18 days. This is not construction getting faster, this is construction being completely reinvented. A canopy shields building entrances, walkways, and windows from rain, sun, and the elements, while giving the facade a clean, finished look. But most of them are heavy, rust-prone, and a nightmare to install. The Vestis architectural canopy throws all of that out. Built from specialized aluminum alloy, it's naturally rust-proof. No painting, no maintenance, no corroding over time. A 35-micron high-durability coating keeps the finish sharp for decades, even in coastal or high-altitude environments where steel would fail fast. But the real game-changer is installation. No crane, no large crew, just 2 workers and a bolt-on bracket system, up in a matter of hours. Lightweight, modular, corrosion-proof, and fully recyclable. This isn't just a canopy, it's a smarter way to build. Running feature wall traditionally means multiple trades: framing, plastering, tiling, lighting design, finishing. That's days of work, multiple contractors, and a lot of coordination. Venetian glass bricks from Austral Bricks collapse all of that into one single step. Crafted in Italy using centuries-old Venetian glassmaking techniques, these bricks lay exactly like standard bricks. Same process, same tools, same speed. But the moment they're in place, you already have your finished surface. No render, no tiles, no feature lighting needed. Available in multiple colors and polished or frosted finishes, they work across bathrooms, kitchens, facades, and feature walls. A result that would normally take a week, done in a day. What if a building's rooms arrived on site already finished? Walls, floors, ceilings, plumbing, and wiring all done before a single worker steps on site. That's exactly what ICC Modular Building Solutions does with PPVC, prefabricated, pre-finished volumetric construction. Each module is manufactured in a controlled factory environment, built from high-strength concrete, lightweight steel framing, and fire-resistant, energy-efficient panels. Everything is precisely engineered to fit together, reducing installation errors dramatically. Here's what makes it fast. While the foundation is being prepared on-site, the factory is simultaneously producing every module. 2 things happening at once, cutting the timeline before a single crane arrives. Once delivered, modules are crane-lifted directly into position. Imagine a 2,000 apartment building constructed within 54 hours. This is how the Shang Shui Tang International Apartment was built. The secret is simple. Each apartment was fully constructed in a factory. Doors, windows, flooring, walls, plumbing, and electrical wiring all fitted and finished before a single module ever reached the job site. While the foundation was being laid on site, the factory was running simultaneously, producing hundreds of completed units. Once delivered, cranes lifted each module into position, one by one, stacking them into a fully finished building in a fraction of the time conventional construction would take. No wet trades, no plastering, no tiling on site. What would normally take years was done in days. This is factory-built construction, and it's changing everything.